Hi, I'm Sabine from Porsche and we heard your feedback from the spot-on Apple CarPlay video, and that's why we want to talk about Android Auto today. But before we start, let me give you an overview of which Porsche models are available with Android Auto. Android Auto has been available wired for the 992, Cayenne, Panamera and the Taycan models produced from 2021. Wireless Android Auto, however, is a new feature available for all just named Porsche models that were produced from 2022 onwards. To use Android Auto, you need to have Porsche Connect services and an Android smartphone with the latest software version. And now I would say, let's get started and connect wireless Android Auto together. Go to connection settings on your smartphone and make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active. Now I have the Bluetooth menu opened up and ready for pairing. Now select the Android Auto tile in the infotainment system, and that's a shortcut we implemented for direct pairing. The infotainment system now located my Android device for selection. Confirm the pairing on your device and the synchronization of contacts, favorites and messages if you wish. As a final step, accept the terms and the use of Android Auto in the infotainment system, and then it will open up fully automatically. Now let's have a look at some tips for using Android Auto. You can open Android Auto from the menu in the home screen or via the icon in the sidebar. For daily use, I recommend you configure it on the main tab bar. You can do that easily by pressing and holding the Android Auto tile, tap on Change Order, and then just switch it to the main tab bar and tap on Confirm. If Android Auto is active and you want to use or pair another smartphone, you first have to disconnect the Android Auto connection. You can do that by going to the Device Manager and select the other device you wish to use instead, or by tapping the Android Auto symbol. And you can always reconnect by selecting the Android Auto tile. To activate the Google Assistant, press and hold the voice control button on the steering wheel. And the Porsche Voice Pilot can of course still be used by pressing the voice control button briefly. Enjoy your next ride with Android Auto and see you in the next video.